Hey, Tristan from RC Pro Kelowna. I'm here today to show you guys the PRO6. This is one of the smaller FPV HD camera drones that we carry. Just open her up and see what's all in the box here. We've got a controller, obviously necessary for the flight. Instruction manual, always give that a read through before you do anything. Screwdriver and some screws, those are always good to have. We have a full set of extra blades, those are always good. 4 blade guards, those are good for avoiding damage to your drone. We have 4 little legs, well, not little, but they're little legs. And the Wi-Fi HD camera itself, so that you have to attach to the drone. We'll get to that later. We have the mount for the controller, and USB charger for the LiPo that comes in the drone itself, which if I take out the box, you see it here. Very nice unit. Small, compact, definitely get the job done.